Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace Bee Enchantments and Grow a Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that you have already applied an enchantment to one of your bees, but you don't really want to have that enchantment and you find a better one. Don't worry guys, if you did that, I'm going to show you how you can swap the enchantment so you can replace the enchantment you have applied before. You're going to equip the Bee Shard and then you're going to click on the bee who has been enchanted. And this one, I've already applied the shield enchantment to this bee. The shield shard, and I'm going to replace it with sword. So we're just going to click on the bee and then just click on confirm. But now I'm not going to do that guys. I'm just going to give you an example. So yeah, the step is very simple. Just click on the bee who has been enchanted and click on confirm. Oh, sorry. Okay guys, and that's how we can replace enchantment in Grow a Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 4. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!